This is how you upload your game, okay, to Netlify, so that you can actually share your game via browser with your friends. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is, okay, load your construct tree. Okay, so assuming that you already completed your game and you want to share this with okay, your friends, what you need to do first, okay, please check on the project properties somewhere around here. Go to view. Okay, so what you need to do is under the first layout over here, right? Okay, you will need to identify which layout you want to actually show first. Alright, so assuming that you have a few layouts, maybe or a few levels, so you can choose, okay, the intro screen first maybe. But for mine over here, I do not have an intro screen, so what I do is I just save it. I use layout 1 as my first layout. So after identifying which layout I want to choose, the next thing that you need to do is go to the loader style. Okay, choose construct tree splash. Okay, for the rest, I think it is not available for the free version of construct tree. So you only have the option of using construct tree splash. Okay, so once you are done, okay, what you need to do next is go to menu, project, and then export. Alright, so you have a few options over here. Okay, but because we are going to actually upload this to Netlify, so we have to convert this to HTML5 files. Yeah. Okay, so just click on it and then click next. Alright, nothing much you can do for this one. Just leave it as it is. Alright, I think no need also. Okay, so what you need to do is just click the next button, and it will zip up the file. Okay, so what you have here is you will need to download this to your folder or to your laptop lah, yeah. Okay, so what you need to do is just click on download, because the game that I created here, I name it as my first game, so it will have this download my first game .zip. Okay, so click on download, and when you look at the bottom, okay, left hand side of your screen, okay, you will know whether it's already downloaded or not. But okay, at the same time, okay, if you were to click on this arrow, click on show folder, it will tell you where exactly it is saved into. So mine, I save it under admin download. Okay, because initially I already saved this file, okay, prior to this video, so by default it will name it as my first game bracket 1 lah. Okay, so don't have to worry about this one. Okay, so what we need to do next is, alright, let's just go to your Netlify. Okay, so what you will have, alright, for those of you who just created okay, an account with Netlify, you won't have anything which looks something like this, because these are all my previous game that I uploaded. Okay, yours may be slightly empty, but what I want you to focus on is right at the bottom here. Okay, if you can see, it says want to deploy a new site without connecting to Git, drag and drop your site folder here. Okay, this is what we are going to do. Okay, so what we need to do next is, alright, okay, go to your folder over here. Okay, identify which folder that you want to drag inside. So this will be the one that I'm going to do. Okay, click on it, hold, and then just drag inside this box over here. Okay, give it a few seconds depending on the complexity of your game. Okay, so now what it has already been downloaded, but it gives me random file name for it. So what I'm going to do next is going to change, okay, the name of the file for this game lah. So click on site setting, just scroll down a bit, okay, until you see over here under site information, right? Okay, this is the name of the, okay, game, sorry, the name of the folder now. Okay, but you can actually change it. So click on change site name. Alright, and you can immediately change it over here. Right, so game 2020 maybe, yeah. hope okay, sometime if let's say somebody have already created this game name, right, you will need to actually change it to something else lah. So for now I just put this game to see whether if let's see if I can use this. So click on save. Okay, so as I said just now, this site has already been taken, so what you need to do is you have to actually change. So maybe I change it to game 7 2020. Okay, so click on save. Okay, immediately your game title or game name will be changed to game 7 2020. It's easy for you to remember also lah. Okay, so which link or that you need to actually share, this is the one, yeah. Okay, so what you can do is, okay, save the link. Okay, so my link will be game72020.netlify.com. okay, so hold on. Okay, let me just go back to my browser over here. Okay, what I will do is I'll just paste it there. Sorry, it's 720, right? Okay, so new game 72020, and then I press enter, and I will have my game. Oh, what happened here? Okay, what I'll do is, okay, copy this. Okay, copy link address. Okay, go to my browser, paste it here, and then press enter. Okay, I should have my game. Yeah, just give it a few seconds. Alright, let it load. As you can see, it's now loading. Okay, you will have this splash screen for start 3. This one you can't change unless if you have the paid account. Okay, so it is playable now. Yeah. Okay, because all the links is all the button is working. If let's say you want to click replay, okay, everything is working fine. Okay, if let's say if okay, this is done, what I need to do is I want to go to the next level. So click on the next level button. Okay, now at the next level, so everything is working fine. Yeah, the only thing that you need to remember is that it is only playable on your browser. Okay, so alright, I will see you again next time. Bye bye.